Let's make some masala fish in the air fryer. I'm gonna take juice of 1 lemon. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, dried parsley, red pepper flakes, paprika, turmeric powder, salt, fresh garlic, coriander. Mix everything. This is the marinade for the fish. I'm using sea bass. These are 2 sea bass fillet. You can use whatever fish you like. And this dish is gonna go in the air fryer. So I'm gonna put the marinade in there so everything can stay in the fish. Coat the fish with the marinade on both sides. So this is done. I'm gonna let it marinate for at least 2 hours. I let the fish marinate in the fridge for about 2 hours now. So this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna take my air fryer basket and put the fish in. Now this is gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Fish is ready.